everybody, me again, Chad, Practical Paracord. Today's video, I'm just going to be busting up these 3 bowling pins. They're at 25, 20, 18 feet away, meters away. And I'm going to let y'all know exactly how many shots it takes for me to hit it. And I'm just going to waste some rocks today, y'all. Let's do it. I'll take it. I'll take it. All right, let's get another. That was good. Oh, come on, man. All right, y'all. Once again, I make an awesome shot and y'all miss it. I even did a little trick and hit it, right? It was so cool. But yeah, we missed that one. So I'm gonna hit it again. I'm gonna get this on camera, y'all. And I'm using my 80-inch sling now because I misplaced my other one. I don't know where it went. I want to get some rocks and it disappeared, but I'm gonna find it. Let's get this. Yeah, baby. All right, there we go. That wasn't many shots. Big news today. All right, big news. I say today. I learned this the other day. Last video, I kind of touched on it about the spin, right? And I always said, flick your wrist to bring it back this way. You know, because usually you throw, you pull it, it comes down. But if you flick your wrist, it goes more high to the right. But I learned the other day, the reason being because it's all about the spin. Because when you flick your wrist, you're spinning it like this, so it's going straighter. If you don't flick your wrist, it goes like this and goes down. So while I'm throwing, I'm thinking about the release, how the projectile comes out the pouch. And it makes a big difference, y'all. It makes a big difference. It makes your path that you're throwing either like straight, you know, with a little rise, which is the straightest way, or you're turning it. You know, you're putting a little curve on it, throwing like a curveball. You know, still learning it, still figuring it out, but I want all y'all to think about it when y'all throwing. Is think about when it comes out the pouch, try to get the spin right. Flick your wrist. So now flick your wrist, which in the comments the other day somebody told me, I don't know if it was no one a consequence of Iron Goober. But he said like when he throws, he kind of puts his palm out, you know, which is kind of like flick your wrist, you know. So yeah, it's a thing. Think about that, y'all. I guarantee you'll throw straighter and further if you think of that when you're slinging. Hope y'all like what y'all seen today. If y'all did, don't forget to like, subscribe, tell a friend. And when you do, tell me that notification bell. Bang!
Practical Paracord, hey, you don't wanna miss it. Keep you entertained. You know that we talking slinging. Catch 'em in Louisiana, Sling King. Find 'em down south, slinging giants like it's David and Goliath. Make sure you subscribe now. All the slinging techniques, slinging so hard I could kill a beast. Come and check me. Hey, I know that you gon' like it for sure. Make sure that you tune in to Practical Paracord. Let's go.